everyone, my name is KASSIA and today we're going to be talking about how to determine the best toner for your skin tone. Wella Colorcharm toners are a really great way to help neutralize unwanted tones in your hair, and with 8 great shades to choose from, how do we figure out what we need to use for our hair? With a complete range of 8 toners in 3 families, ash, silver, and beige, you are bound to find something that is going to work beautifully for your hair. Let's start with figuring out which color is your skin tone. Is it cool, is it warm, or is it neutral? If your skin is cool, then you'll notice that blue, purple, and gray really work well with your skin tone. If your undertone is warm, then you'll notice that you tend to lean towards yellows, reds, and oranges. Neutral can be a combination of both warm and cool, which is where I tend to fall, and one of the reasons why I color my hair so many different colors all the time. So which one are you? One easy way of determining your skin undertone is taking a look at your wrists. And if you notice that the color of your veins tends to look more blue or purple, then you are going to be cool toned. If they are green or olive, then you're going to be warm toned. If it's a combination of both, or if you see green and blue, then you're most likely neutral. Another great way of determining your complementary toner to your skin color would be to ask yourself, what type of jewelry color do you tend to wear more? Do you find yourself wearing silver? You're most likely cool toned. Do you find yourself wearing gold? You're most likely going to be warm toned. Do you find that you can wear both colors? You guessed it, you're probably neutral. Now that you've determined your skin undertone, you can begin to figure out which toner is going to work best for your hair. If you're warm tone, then beige toners are going to look great for your hair. You can choose from T11, T15, T27, and T35. These are all great Wella Colorcharm toners to use for your hair. If you find that your skin tone is leaning towards cool, then T14, T18, T10, and T28 are going to work great for you. Now that you've determined the best toner for your skin tone, you can get salon-worthy results at home with Wella Colorcharm, the #1 toner in the US.